Back in July 2012, Facebook co-founder and CEO Mark Zuckerberg got a 30-year mortgage for his $5.95 million Palo Alto home, which is 3 miles away from the Facebook headquarters. At the time, he was only 28 years old and worth approximately $15.6 billion. You might be wondering, why would you go into debt if you have billions of dollars and can simply afford anything you want? It's weird, but it will all make sense soon. Welcome to Money Talk, where we discuss tips on making money. And for this video, we are going to talk about how to use debt to earn lots of money. But before we begin, don't forget to hit that like button, click subscribe, and click that notification bell to receive updates and be the first to check out our latest videos. You see, a mortgage means free money. But if you are already a billionaire, who would give you free money? It's all about interest rates. The inflation rate in the US is between 5% and 8%. So any money you borrow that is below that rate is a good deal. For some people, inflation is free money due to the fact that the mortgage rate is below the rate of inflation. The bank is the loser. If you are a businessman who can easily afford $1 million home, why buy it when you can finance it for 4 to 5% while investing the rest in your company, which could yield returns of 10, 20, or even 30%. Even if you're too busy to find a better way to spend your money, investing it all in an index fund can be a better long-term choice. Consider Elon Musk, for instance. The majority of his wealth is linked to Tesla and SpaceX. Therefore, in order to purchase a $20 million home, he may need to sell a sizable portion of his assets, pay taxes, and face other costs. Instead, he kept his money in his companies, which continued to grow, and paid less for a mortgage to purchase his homes. When you're a billionaire, the bank doesn't have to worry about you not paying back your loan. If something goes wrong, you can easily sell part of your company to pay back. Second, making on-time mortgage payments each month will help you establish and keep a solid credit rating, making it much simpler for you to borrow money from banks the next time you need it. In essence, you are creating a relationship of trust with the financial institutions. The situation might, however, also be reversed. Banks do this in order to build trust with wealthy clients so that in the future, when their businesses require a loan from a bank, they turn to them rather than their rivals. But this is the factor that differentiates good debt from bad debt. If you are irresponsible with your debt, it may ruin your financial life, leave you without a home, and make your family homeless. On the other hand, debt is leverage, and leverage can make you unbelievably wealthy if you know how to utilize it. The use of leverage is a form of superpower that can result in instant wealth. What is leverage? Simply put, leverage is the amount of debt a company has in its mix of debt and equity. A company with more debt than average for its industry is said to be highly leveraged. A leverage is not necessarily bad, as we will see in the following example. Let's say you have a tractor business and you purchase one tractor for $10,000. Take it to the market and sell it for $11,000. With that, you just made a profit of $1,000. But what if you utilize leverage? If you go to the bank first and borrow $990,000, then add your own additional $10,000 to that, you'll have $1 million. Now, you can go to your supplier and purchase 100 tractors for $1 million. After this, you can now sell them on the market for $1,100,000. However, you still need to pay the bank. So, you return the $990,000 you acquired plus an additional $10,000 in interest. You just gained $100,000 in your bank account. If you subtract $10,000 from your earnings, you'll be left with $90,000. This is a good way to earn money using debt. Both the bank and you view the benefits of the deal. Of course, there is a lot of risk here for everyone involved. The bank knows all about risk, and it will review your credit worthiness very carefully to see if you are a good credit risk. The better your credit, the easier it is to get a loan, and the cheaper it will be to get the money because the interest rate will be lower. While a lot of people generally believe that debt is a negative thing for your finances, if used appropriately and managed appropriately, it can allow you to make purchases that you otherwise wouldn't be able to, significantly increase your returns. But since a debt-based investment strategy comes with a lot of risks, it's important to think about whether this is the right choice for you. It is a good idea to talk to a professional, like a financial advisor, to help you decide your financial position and what risk is good for you. Good luck! If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button, click subscribe, and hit the notification bell to receive updates on our latest videos. Also, feel free to leave us a comment. If you want to watch more videos, head on over to our channel to see more from Money Talk. See you!